In this video, I will tell you 3 methods by which you can take a screenshot in iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. The first method is very basic. You just need to press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Volume up button is on the left hand side in the middle right here, and the power button is on the right hand side. You just need to press both buttons at the same time and release like this. And from here you can easily customize your screenshot if you want, and you can save it from here. If you want to see your screenshot, you can navigate to your photos album, and from there you can easily see your screenshot like this. The second method, you can ask the Siri to take a screenshot for you like this. Hey Siri, take a screenshot. See, Siri has taken a screenshot for me, and I can easily save my screenshot from here or easily customize it like this. Let's move to the last method. Just navigate to settings and find accessibility. It is right here, tap on that, then scroll down and tap on touch. And right here you can see assistive touch, tap on that and make sure to enable this toggle like this. Then tap on the circle right here and tap on device, tap on more, then tap on the screenshot right here. As you can see, a screenshot has been taken. So that's how you can take a screenshot in iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.